How to fix can't delete apps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature at the top. And then, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. After that, go to the Store Purchases and Re-download section. Go to Deleting Apps. Here, select Allow. Now, go back to the Settings page and go to General. Then, go to Software Update. You can update your phone from here and view all the available updates. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. After that, go back and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset below. And then, select Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap on Reset Home Screen again to confirm. Once you're done, go back and tap on Shut Down at the end as shown. After restarting, check if the problem has been solved. Following these steps, you can easily fix can't delete apps on iPhone.